but one beauty spot by your lips, surrounded by two dark scented tresses. Woe be unto that bird of the heart, tempted by one seed, but threatened by two snares. I converse with two, a sheriff and a sheikh, over the matter of love. I cannot bother to refute them, as wise as I am, being one in the company of two fools. The sublime beauty of your face, hidden behind two dark tresses, never before has the world witnessed a raised sun would set twice. Wine drinkers surrounded the cask, made pregnant by the maiden of the vineyard. Behold the misgotten child, who has one father but two mothers. O my beautiful cupbearer, why do you sit so heedlessly? Bring us wine and give us drink. For one I pay now, for the other two later, perhaps. That pair of heart-rending eyes look drunk like a goblet brimming with wine. Behold what the drunken Tatar is holding, a single vintage, but two vessels. Thousands like me were slain by the sword of thy eyebrows. Nations are captivated by the spell of your eyes, not one or two, but them all. You keep promising reunion, but never keep your words. Never have I observed in this world an honorable man saying one thing, but meaning another. Once you may refer to me as your dog beside your gate. Another time just refer to me as a lowly slave. It matters to me not. The same maiden I am, but two appellations.